If you are struggling with debt and you don't know where to turn for help, you may want to consider going to an attorney. Shawn Stone is a bankruptcy and student loan lawyer and is here to offer financial hope. Good morning. It's so good to see you.
Thanks for having me, Lisa.
I'm sure a lot of people are kind of struggling with this issue right now. When do you know, or how do you know when you should go to an attorney for help?
There's some telltale signs.
Okay.
Some of the early signs of knowing that you should go and speak with an attorney about your debt is that if you can't stop thinking about it, you're up late at night,
Sure.
it's the first thing you think about in the morning, you're overwhelmed with the debt, maybe you're putting your necessities on your credit cards, okay? Your food, your gas, your groceries. You might be just generally overwhelmed. You might be pulling money out of your retirement or your savings in order to keep afloat. And then I have what I call the urgent signals, okay? You're receiving collection calls nonstop all day long, okay?
Sure.
You are, the creditors are taking you to court. They're suing you. They're garnishing your wages. They're garnishing your bank accounts. Those are all signals.
Now, are people, or can you lose your home or your car if you file bankruptcy?
That's a common question I get, and a big concern for a lot of people. A properly planned bankruptcy with a well-trained bankruptcy attorney, people can keep everything that they want to keep. They can keep their car, they can keep their house, they can keep even their retirement money.
Wow, so that is possible. I think that's a lot of fear that people have about filing bankruptcy.
It's a big misconception.
That they may lose all of that. Now, what about a car or a house in the future if you want to buy a house in the future and you file bankruptcy?
Credit is an important component of our modern society, okay? Bankruptcy does not have to ruin somebody's credit forever, okay? I offer my clients a credit rebuilding tool which will help people to rebuild their credit. Okay, this is not a scam.
We're looking at it right now. To rebuild the credit after you file bankruptcy?
It's a 5-step program to teach people how to rebuild their credit. Okay, this program will help people rehabilitate or rebuild their credit to a 720 credit score within 12 to 24 months. Okay, it's a $1,000 program. If you were to go and buy it on the market, I offer this to my clients at no charge.
So it is possible to do that. And you also help with student loans. Now, why would somebody need to contact an attorney about a student loan?
With the cost of education skyrocketing out of control, there's a common misconception that the federal student loan lenders have the student loan borrower's best interest in mind. Simply not the case. Just like the big banks, the federal government and the Department of Education want to make as much money as they can. If somebody who's struggling with their debt calls the servicer to get information or say, listen, I just can't afford my debt, my payments, they're going to tell them very few options. Okay, there's dozens of programs out there that they're not going to tell you about. Why? Because I want to make more money, okay? I can help people with the dozens of programs that are available. I can help people get a default. I can help them reduce their student loan payment. I can help them have a payment they can afford based on their income and their household size. I can also help some people eliminate a portion of their debt based on the type of work that they do.
So there's a lot of choices. I mean, most people don't think you have all those choices out there, which is nice to know, so you can get through this. And you have a special offer for people who are watching or maybe struggling with this whole concept, whether it's student loans or other financial issues. What's that special offer?
Right now, if you call within the next couple minutes, we're going to offer a free consultation with an attorney, okay? And that's an included debt analysis. You're going to meet with me, and we're going to go over all your options. We are going to also offer anybody calling right now. Now, whether you want to file bankruptcy or not, you call within the next 15 minutes, and I'm going to offer you my credit rebuilding tool. Now, again, that's a $1,000 value. I'm going to offer that at no charge. Pick up the phone and call. It's important to get the information as early as possible. Because the earlier you get information, you educate yourself, the more options you're going to have available. Very
true. Thank you very much. I know a lot of people are finding themselves in this situation, so it's nice that you can offer these services. And so you can start getting help today and don't wait any longer. Thank you so much.
Thanks for having me.
Good to see you. Now, if you want more information on Stone Law Group, please go to their website. It's stonelawaz.com. Or you can call the number you see right there on the screen. And make sure you call in the next 15 minutes to receive that free offer.